Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto Bee Vision, bringing you another wicked video. Today we're going to go over some tips and tricks on how to use Market Cipher and how to use it correctly and efficiently, guys. There's many different ways to mess up with it, and using this strategy is going to be the easiest way for you to make money in the market. If you don't have Market Cipher yet, now is the time. The reason for that is because it is a little parabolic in between 43,000 and 49,000 for Bitcoin. There is money to be made. Not just with that, the alts are moving 15, 20% right now, and you want to be in these coins with Market Cipher using leverage, earning that money. Because if the rest of your portfolio is taking a 15% dip, you've already charted it. You're already using Market Cipher. You're making money on the way down as your portfolio goes down, and then with that money you make on the way down, you're buying more of the assets you've grown to love and building that portfolio stack by stack by stack. So please watch the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. And don't forget to join my Telegram and drop me a comment, guys. And if you're looking for Market Cipher, the link, as always, in the description, guys. It helps support me and the channel. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you and your time. Let's go. Let's dig into tips and tricks with Market Cipher. So guys, we're looking at a Bitcoin chart we did a couple days ago, and it looks like it's following kind of my line I drew. This is just a makeshift line, but as you can see right from here, I said it would go down and then back up and touch on these lines. Now this is getting pretty darn close. So a couple tricks, like I said with this Market Cipher. Trick number one, start with higher time frames, guys. This is a 4-hour. You need to know the bulk of the longer term trend to be able to chart it on a lower term time frame. So with that, we're looking at this line, of course, is not God. But at this point right here, guys, I don't know. It may be a little risk because of the market conditions, but I would look to short Bitcoin. So how do we figure that out? Well, we're going to look at your Market Cipher here, Market Cipher B. This is the first one I look at, Market Cipher B. Okay, we're in the red money flow. Okay, we see the VWAP has come in a curve down, guys. There's still no red dot painted, but the reason for that is because the VWAP hasn't crossed through the zero line, but it appears to be heading down. That is a sign that it may head down towards the VWAP, and you might even get it to go down to 44, 43,000, guys. So this is your sign number one. Okay, now your RSI is still in the green at 40. Things change quick, so it might do a little up, see, come up, touch this upper trend line. It might break through here and go direct to 60,000. We don't know, but at this point on the 4-hour, you are kind of, I'm confused. What do I do? Well, the thing that you got to remember is we look at Market Cipher B. Okay, the VWAP looks to be heading towards the zero line. That can change. Well, let's get Market Cipher A out, guys. Market Cipher A, very beneficial, okay? So Market Cipher A, as you can see, I'll get this green line out of here now, guys. So as you can see, right, we had it spread. Now it's starting to come together. You see this, so let's see if we can get in there a little deeper. So you see this blue line, it's starting to turn blue, right? So when that turns blue and it crosses over, now we're looking at it closing the gap. And when it's closing this gap, if this blue line comes down and it comes back down, right? So as you can see, it's still on the upward trend. But to me, at this point, we get B going. It's kind of curving down, but it's starting to go up a little bit. And up here, this looks like it may crest up and head down. But we don't know for sure, guys, right? We never know for sure. So what we have to do is our due diligence and run through the smaller time frames. That's what we do. Start of the 4-hour, we had a nice rise up, and we're not too sure what's happening. The VWAP took a quick point. So let's drop it down to the 1-hour, guys. Okay. Now we're looking at the 1 hour. So this is nice and spread. What's the 1 hour doing? It's bouncing off this zero line. Has it painted a red dot yet? Yes, it just painted a red dot on the 1 hour. And instead of entering a trade, I'm making this video for you guys. So as you can see, we have no clear signs of the blood diamond or the reversal yet. We have our green dot painted there. We have the VWAP just crossing below that zero line on the 1 hour. And these are your trend lines. These are your resistance lines that you drew from your 4-hour charting skills, guys, okay? So this is a big thing, is your time frames, okay? The money flow is now even. We're not green, we're not red. It's trying to decide what it's going to do. At this point, what date are we at? March 1st. Okay. Remind us to check out what ADA's doing today. So at this point, we don't have any other new information on the chart because we have our trend lines. We knew it was touching the resistance. Now, if it breaks above this, guys, look for a rejection here. And if it breaks above this and the candle closes above this, we're looking pretty darn bullish. But watch for the fake breakouts, guys. So let's dummy this down to the 30-minute. Okay, we're getting more information. 30-minute is green money flow. We have the red dot painted here. That's just saying that the VWAP is below the zero line. So if we spread out Market Cipher B, what are we looking at here? Well, it's come down through the zero line. It looks like it's kind of starting to curve. I mean, this can change on a dime, but we're going to figure that out in the lower time frames, guys. So our RSI on this here is about 92, and that's on the 30-minute, guys. And if we come up to take a look at Market Cipher A, as you can see, it's rejected off that upper one. You got your yield and then your red painted diamond. So now it's rejected off this one, and it broke through the second set of resistance, and they're coming up. These waves are coming up here. Now, this blue wave, to me, looks like it's curving down, guys. Looks like it's curving down. And as you can see, the price action is kind of following. So when this curve, if this curves down and we get a pinch, let's just go back, right? Blue wave curves down and we get a pinch. We could be looking to some more downside, guys. From the 4-hour chart, I honestly think we're heading down towards 43,000, possible wick down to 42.5, guys. So at this point, you might want to be looking to short. That's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. It's how you roll. But if you do short, do not make it heavy leverage until we take a look at the lower time frame. So what we're going to do now, we're going to jump all the way down to the 5-minute. Now, what are we seeing on the 5-minute, guys? What are we seeing on the 5-minute? I know it looks clustered, but you can replay this video. At the 5-minute, it looks like we're in the green money flow, but it's slowly decreasing. RSI is sitting at about 80, which isn't too bad. But now, guys, our VWAP on the 5-minute is about to cross the zero line, and then we may get an avalanche effect. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, cross on the zero line, and let's head her down to 43,500, 42,500. As you can see, we're in the green dot. There is no blood diamond here. There is a couple small red X's. But at any point, guys, as you can see, it started to curve here and it went back higher. Curved here, dip, bounce. Is that a dead cat bounce there, guys? Well, that's up to you to decide. So at this point, I would not be looking to long or enter Bitcoin. At this point, I would be looking for an entry for a short. And with that short, I would probably stick to maybe 3 or 4x leverage, and I would put my stop right probably at about, well, we can find that out. If I was at, let's go back to the 4-hour. Whoa. So at this point, guys, your 4 hours, still all green candles, but it ends in 45 minutes. Hopefully I'm done the video by then. I may put in a short. At this point, I would put my stop. You could put your stop healthy at 52,368, which is fairly high. But if you wanted to get a little more risky, this here, you see this diamond? We are looking for a possible reversal is what I see here. I know the yellow X says possible reversal, but everything is up for interpretation. All it takes is a triangle, yellow X, blood diamond, and you're done. So I may look to short this. We have a long wick on the 4 hour here, guys. Right? It's pushing it down from this resistance. So you could even probably, let's get in a little closer here. Okay, now we're cooking. You could even set your stop at, it's a high of 49 up there in the top left, 49,469. So you can set your stop at about 50,500 if you entered a short here. Now let's take a quick look at the 1 minute chart. Of course, we got to spread all this out, guys. You know how we do, and you're getting green dot. Looks like it may be, curving, and then if it curves and drops. But at the same time, guys, you never know what it's going to paint, right? So this is kind of tips and tricks is to run through your time frames, guys. You want to start at a higher time frame. Run through your time frames. Go through your RSI, your VWAP, your money flow. You want to make sure that at least 3 or 4 things are telling you to enter the trade the way you should. Don't enter a trade just to enter a trade, guys. If you're looking for Market Cipher, the link is in the description. I can do run-throughs with you, everything you need. Hop in the Telegram group and we will get you started. As for Bitcoin, I'm going to be looking to enter a short if it comes up and retests this in between this area, 49,057 and 49,500. Okay, hopefully this helped you with a little bit of tips and tricks on what to look for, guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. And don't forget to drop me a comment. And check out my Telegram, guys. Market Cipher is a beast. And in these times of fluctuating right now, so not everything is on the skyrocket, it's the best time to earn with Market Cipher. So thanks a bunch, guys. We'll see you on the next one.